We will learn how to manually install or reinstall an OS, using Virtualizor for customized installation. The Virtualizor manual reinstall option allows you to modify or create a custom partition. Click on the Manage icon of the VPS in which you wish to install the operating system. Go to the Settings tab and select the boot order CD drive hard disk. Now click to open the drop-down list of Select ISO and click to select your ISO. You can leave other options as they are. Now click on the Submit button. Now we need to restart the VPS. VPS has been restarted. Now click on the VNC icon without wasting time. Click to select HTML5 VNC client option. Select Install CentOS Linux 8 or any other OS you have selected and then press the Enter button to start the installation. Select a language and continue. We have to create the partition, set root password, and create a user. Let's do it one by one. There are triangle icons where we haven't selected anything. For partition, go to Installation Destination and select the disk you would like to install. You may and may not have checked disk if you have more than one disk. Click to select the proper disk. Then click on the Done button. It says, there is not enough free space available in the disk. The operating system will remove all the data you have on the disk. So either make a backup or go ahead only if you don't need it anymore. Go and click to reclaim space. Click on the Delete All button as I don't need the data anymore. Then click on the Reclaim Space button. Notice that the caution icon has disappeared. Now go and set the root password. Enter the password and then re-enter it in the Confirm input box. The password is weak and I need to click twice on the Done button to confirm it. Notice that network is not connected. Let's connect it and set a host name. Click to switch on and connect the network. Now enter a host name and click to apply it. Now click on the Done button. For other remaining options, I will leave the default settings. You can visit them and make your choices. Now everything looks good, let's click to begin the installation. We have installed CentOS 8. Now it asks to reboot the system. Click on the Reboot System button. Let's go back to the VPS Control Panel Setting tab, then click on the VPS configuration and set the boot order to hard disk CD drive. Click on the Submit button. Go back to VNC area and select the troubleshooting option. Select the option Boot from the local drive and hit Enter button. That's it. Now you can start using CentOS. Thank you for watching.